How to solve Messenger couldn't send the message problem. If any day you are sending message to your friend, family or any of your dearest, but your messages are not being sending, this may be very frustrating for you. So in order to solve the problem, first of all tap on Messenger for a while. After that you will see a screen like this. Now go to the I option, and after going to the I option, you will see an interface like this. This is the interface of app information. Now you have to go to the option of storage. After going to the option of storage, you have to check whether there is any cache or not. If there is any cache, just go to the option of clear cache. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of notification. You have to check whether allow notification has been done or not, and whether allow sound and vibration has been done or not. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of permissions. After going to the option of permission, you have to check whether allow permission has been given to camera, microphone, music and audio, notification, photos and videos or not. After checking that, you have to go back. Now you have to go to the option of set as default, and you have to check whether it has been opened in open supported links or not. You have to enable the option of open supported links. After you check that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of app details and store. After going to the option of app details and store, you have to go to the option of email. Now here in email, you will find an email where you can report your problem of your messages not being sent in Messenger. So this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.